Hello Fair Subs, welcome in, Surika, Mabuhay, and you are all back from Versailles, and welcome to Sunday Special with me. So, every Sunday I upload videos that are special, meaning they are not jewelry related, they're not just fashion and jewelry related, but it's anything and everything under the sun. And this time I have a long overdue haul that I would like to share with you, and it's my unboxing of the Ideal of Sweden products that I got like about a month or two ago. And then there's going to be a follow-up video wherein I am going to share with you another Ideal of Sweden collective haul on another video after this one, like on another Sunday perhaps. But for today I would like to share to you this special unboxing of items that I bought. For one item was 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. Was that 70? No, both of them are 70% off. And without further ado, let me share with you guys my great finds from Ideal of Sweden. So my order from Ideal of Sweden came on a pouch like this. It's a pretty violet packet, and it says here I am boosting your every day. So it's a fast forward of me opening the pouch right here, and this is the first item that I ordered, and here's another one. So I will be unboxing and trying on these two lovely items together with my current mobile phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's start with this first here, and this is the magnetic card holder in blue. So they call the color Saffiano Navy instead. So here it is when you open the box like so. So it's usually hanging on the stores, and you could open it like this and you could see how it looks inside. So just gonna open the box and pull down this magnetic card holder to be placed at the back of our phone case. So it's very pretty. It's quite hefty and it's sturdy. And this is how it looks. So I think the guys would like this color, but I don't mind having this one since it will look very nice also with my pink Ideal of Sweden Saffiano case also. So it looks like this, and then you can fit it however you want it, just like so. I like the contrast of the pink and the navy blue. Well, I tried it on, and then you could fit 2 to 3 cards. So for this next item, it's the Mayfair clutch wallet. So this is for iPhone 11 Pro Max. I think this is still available on the website. So you could pull it down, and then you could see the product also. This is how it looks at the back of the box, but I have to cut the tape underneath right here so we can pull down the inside part of the box and reveal the item like so. So there it is, a very pretty maroon color. Well, it's also like playing between deep red and maroon, more leaning into the reddish part. Just so stunning. I love it. I love the feel of it. I love the texture. It's really a pretty velvet one, perfect for the holidays. So this is how it looks inside, and of course it's just so portable. So there's no pockets at the back, just inside. And then there is the chain. So it's a nice gold hardware or gold plated hardware for this chain that you could put on this part of the phone. So just push the lobster clasp, and we'll be able to put this in. There you go. That's the easiest way to do it, and that's how it looks. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab this part, which is the default case that they have. And I'm gonna grab my phone, which has a case, currently have a case on it from Ideal of Sweden also. Just wanted to show how you could use your existing phone cases because all of them are magnetic and they work with the Ideal of Sweden products, just like this. So that's so cool. And my key holder or the key ring also works with it since everything is magnetic with this Ideal of Sweden items, just like I mentioned earlier. Even this card case can be placed in here also. The magnet is a little bit weird because it's not really made for it, but could still work. But I like it like this, of course. So those are the two items that I got from Ideal of Sweden sale on the website, idealofsweden.se. There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on another special Sunday, and I hope that you like this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing these awesome items. But don't forget that I will have another video and I will share with you what I got from Ideal of Sweden, some other nice goodies in here. And yes, so don't you forget that I upload videos every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Tuesdays is Treasure Tuesdays, all about jewelries and Pandora, and then Fridays is about Beauty and Fashion Friday, BFF for short, and Sundays are anything and everything under the sun. That's why I call it Special Sunday, or Sunday Special rather. So see you, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you will be notified on all my future videos, and check out all of my other Ideal of Sweden videos that I made on this channel. And yes, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. See you in my next video, and remember to stay fierce and fly high.